Good morning, everyone. Now we are heading to Flagstaff, and they have a snow last night, and it's not too bad. They don't have that much snow, but it's very slippery because it's icy. Right now is
in 600 feet. Turn right onto West Reedhead.
Right now we are in 26 degrees. And
take the next right onto West Reedhead, then turn left onto South.
Oh my God, sorry. And now we are heading to Flagstaff. We'll see how bad in
take the next left onto
I-40
South 30th Avenue.
Tara na mga friend. Punta na tayo sa shaky. When we get out in our house and we are here in 260, and they don't have snow at all. It's clean, it's clear. So I think the snow, it's up in the mountain. Huh?
We are in the mountain.
Oh, we are.
We are at 7,700 feet. We are in the mountain.
Okay, we are in the mountain, maybe the higher mountain. Okay, this is it. This is the morning. This is the first time snowstorm in 2022. We call this snowstorm, but I don't know how do we call this. Sprinkle.
In a quarter mile, use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto West Newsom.
They said last night the people was telling, oh my God, we're gonna get like 6 inches of snow tomorrow. And I said, yeah, see is to believe, but this is what we got.
We got a skiff, but it's a cold skiff.
Yeah, it's really cold.
It was 18 degrees.
Use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto West Newsom.
Okay. Don't mind Sherry. Sherry keep talking, give us a direction. Sherry, stop it. Shh. Okay. This is the one that we're going. We have 2 hours and 15 minutes to go.
140 miles.
It's not bad at all. No snow, so that means I-40 is in a good condition, everybody. So no worries. Be happy because this is it. Pansit.
Just gotta get past the train.
Woohoo! Woohoo! Going the snow. Now going to Flagstaff. Not too bad at all. Flagstaff is 2 hours and 8 minutes to go. Oh, thank you, Lord, that they don't have that much snow. Beautiful view. Look, we go downhill. Ito yung view namin papuntang Flagstaff.
7,700 feet down to 6,000 feet.
Sneezing pa more. I love it. Look at the view, guys. It's beautiful.
Beautiful. Wow. Got a lot of sugar out there.
It's not lots of snow, but it's enough to look beautiful.
Beautifully cold.
Yeah, beautifully cold, but oh well. We can work with the cold stuff. We can work with the cold weather, isn't it? La la li la li la la la. La la li la li la li li. La 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 li la la la. Yes, that's my music. Composed by Marianne Minnick. Okay. Update later. Bye for now. See you later, alligator. Hey everyone, I give you an update. It's a little bit of snow here than in Sholo. We are headed now. We are out of snowflakes. We're going to Horb. Huh? Okay, you see it. I can't see it. Yep, and it's a surprisingly that
more snow.
Yeah, look right there. Oh, it's more snow. brighter than Sholo. It looks so pretty. It's
Raining.
Yep.
Like Christmas.
yeah.
The
This is-
further north we go.
This is the first snowstorm. We call a snowstorm because we don't have any snow in 2022. This is the first one, so they said it's a snowstorm. So okay, we call this a snowstorm. What we can do? I'm easy to talk to. Okay, this is the update. I'm gonna update you guys when we hit in I-40. Let's say how's the situation in I-40. Okay, bye you guys. More snow in here. Look. Wow, what a pretty drive. It seems like you're in a cloud, right?
Yeah.
This is closer to Holbrook. Wow, they get more snow in here. Hopefully in I-40 is not too bad. Now I am curious.
Now she's a believer.
How's an I-40 look like? Because over here it's kind of like, what a white. Wow. Well, how many inches you think? Already? All is white, see? A white. Only road is clear. Side the road is white. Right now we are 28 degrees outside. Below freezing. Oh, above freezing. I'm sorry guys, I'm talking, I'm dyslexia, I think.
She's talking in riddles today.
Yeah, okay. I'm gonna update then we hit an I-40. My gosh. See? Now what I'm saying, even we come in here early, we still hit the train. Dang train. The empty train. Yes.
Got a lot of train there.
Hit it, we're gonna be in I-40.
They're a little early.
Turn left onto the I-40 West ramp.
Okay. There you
In half a
go.
mile, merge onto I-40 West, US 180 West.
This is the situation in I-40. It's more snow than show low, but the road is clear. So far, so good. So there we go, my friend. I-40, it's good. Speed limit is 75 miles per hour. But you know, my driver, it's gonna be a little bit faster, but it's alright. I think it. Okay, there you go. See you later, alligator. Bye for now. I'll just give you an update on how look like an I-40. I-40 is fine. Okay, bye everybody. I-40 West. We're in West, huh? I-40 West. This is it. Not too bad. Snow is not too bad. The road is clear. Everything is fine. Yep. So far so good. That's the, what do you call that one, huh? That's the one have a smoke. this is our adventure for today, and let's see when we come back this afternoon or this evening how they look like, if the snow is gonna stay or the snow is gonna melt. We have to figure these things out later. Alligator, baboos, everybody, see you later when we get back from doctor appointment to Mr. M. Oh, look at this, guys. In Winslow, it's really clear. Nothing. No snow at all. But the wind is blowing really hard.
About a 40, 45 mile an hour wind.
Yep. It's some truckers is dancing.
Having a hard time staying on the road.
I was expecting that more snow over here in Flagstaff because it's a little bit higher than Sholo, isn't it?
Yeah.
But I guess, oh my god, look at this pickup. He's blowing his what do we call this?
Hey.
Hey, he said cover it. See,